Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges on a HP Deskjet 2630. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve a PC or laptop. So firstly, make sure the paper tray on the front of your printer is down, and then if you look inside here you can see it's walled off, but there's like a little bit you can get your finger in there, press that to pull it down. And once that's down, your printer will recognize it and move the cartridge cradle along into this position here. Now, if you don't have any cartridges in your machine, it's marked on the label here, color, and then black on the right. So if you have any doubts, just look for that sticker. And to remove a cartridge, you just simply press down on the top of whichever cartridge it is you need to replace, pull them out, and then we take a replacement cartridge. Mine doesn't actually need replacing, so I'm going to pop the same one back in. But if you are popping a new cartridge in, make sure you've removed any protective clips that sometimes come in these cartridges with both the HP originals and the remanufactured ones. And additionally, there'll quite often be like a paper tab with some polythene covering the print head at the bottom. Make sure you've peeled that off. If you have a remanufactured cartridge like this one, you might see a replacement chip on the front, but don't worry about that. That doesn't need removing at all. We can then pop the replacement cartridge into the printer, put it into the correct side, and it will hang loosely like that. And you need to apply quite a lot of pressure, pushing up and backwards under the lip there until it snaps into place. Once that's in position, we just close up the flap on the front of the printer and we leave the machine to take a quick look at the cartridge, ensure it's happy with it, and leave you free to carry on printing. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If you have anything to add, pop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.